All right, welcome. Here is today's work, and I'm going to teach you here today stages on how to format your system Windows to Windows 10. This is it. This is a Windows 10. This is Windows 10. Choosing any of your choice. What I have there, Windows 10 Pro. Uh, that's Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro. To make the second option. Here, when it gets to the place, you delete all the partitions we have here. Deleting all the partitions, and you recreate a new partition. You can see there all the partition here will be deleted and a newer one will be created. Will carry a fresh installation of your Windows. Delete all the partitions and create a newer one. Now you have to click on your new and then apply. OK, and click next. You can as well format, click your format after here, click your format and click OK, then next, or you just go straight to your next, and there comes your installation of your fresh Windows. Here it goes. Here it goes. Please, you can just do well by clicking the subscription bell as you follow me on YouTube. And equally, you can ask your question on our comment section. Ask, I will be there to give you guide or answers to your question. This is Emino War. Subscribe to the channel and you get more info on how to help fix your PC, your printers, and so on. That is just the stage. Your Windows has been installed to your computer, and the second phase of it is coming up. It has restart and it's coming up now. You just wait and we'll get it right. Starting window service. Getting device ready. It's getting ready. Give it some time and everything will get fixed, get ready, and you get or receive your fresh and well formatted Windows or installed Windows to your PC. On your PC. Please don't fail to click the subscription button. Click and you get more from us at Amino World, at Amino World Computer, Amino World Tech. This process, what we have here, the system we have here today is a HP system. Remember, the boot device, boot menu or boot option key for the HP is different from that of Dell and other product. What we have here is HP. Their bootable or the function key for boot menu is F9. Um, well, you might be using your CD to run your installation to your Windows, to your system, installation to your system. All you just have to do, put in your CD, or you might be using your flash drive. What I'm using here today is a flash drive. But if in case you're using your CD, it's still okay. But just to whereby know your function key. Function key for HP laptop is F9, F9, and that of there is F12, and others. Don't worry, click on the subscription menu. We'll get to do more with that, where we will, tell you better about function keys when it comes to boot menu to other laptops. Stay tuned. Just a moment. All right, just a moment. Username. You can as well decide to put your password here, but if not, just bypass, click next, leaving the password space blank. But if you wish, you can put your password. But here we don't want to put any password. You just click next and continue. Next, yes. Here comes, here comes the Windows. This might take several minutes. Leave everything to us. At this stage, you just allow the computer to do whatever setting or setup it wants. You take it to the end, certainly. This is the end. Leave everything to us. It's getting to the end. Almost there. Yeah. Oh. This is it. This is it. This is it. We got it right. Thank you for watching. Please do well by clicking on the subscription menu on our YouTube channel so you get more from Emmy the World. Thank you.